Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove Google account from your Android device. So let's get start the video. First of all, pull down your notification bar and go to settings. Here you need to scroll down and find out account and sign option. Then click on it. After that you can see there is Google option. Click on it. Then you will see here your all login Gmail account. So if you want to remove any of this account, just tap on it. Then here below you can see more option. So click on it. Then here click on remove account. After that, for confirm, again click on remove account. Now as you can see, this account is removed from my device. Now this account will be removed from all of the Google related application like YouTube, Play Store. Let me show you. If I open Play Store and go to account option, as you can see there are 4 accounts available, but before that there were 5 accounts. So friend, like this way you can easily remove your Gmail account from your Android device. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.